battery tech, Phil.
Okay.
It's obviously the advent of lithium in the lighting industry has been massive.
Okay.
So we've researched a lot of leading manufacturers, and we've put a lot of effort into making sure we've got the latest stuff now in the products. Now, there's two major elements to an emergency luminaire, and that is your module.
Yeah.
That does the switch over when the power goes, switches it over and makes the product go into emergency mode, and then once it's switched over, you need something to run the LED.
Yeah.
And that's your batteries.
Okay.
So we major every product that comes out of here self-test as a default.
Yeah.
So it does automatically self-test itself to keep up with the British standards.
Yeah.
Allumer's never made a standard a key switch emergency. It's not something I don't think that should be even considered now.
Okay.
It's like it's just very old way of doing things. But in doing that, we're working with companies, and we up to 8-year warranties on batteries and modules in an emergency product. So that
which ties in with the kind of the light.
Absolutely,
as well.
yeah, absolutely.
So how long would one of these kind of power the emergency light for?
It has to, the regulations are that we have to, on a power down, we have to the product has to run for 3 hours.
Okay.
So it would run at we did testing here. One went up to 6 hours.
Okay,
so, but it depends. There's certainly with
different factors that can contribute to that, I suppose.
But maintaining the battery, the quality of the battery and the battery status is all about how you handle it and how you charge it and how you discharge it, and that's why self-test. The component manufacturers are able to give these assurances because it's managed.
So it's optimising the battery's life.
And the self-test does that. It reassures them that their batteries are being managed in a way that is conducive to a good life for them.
So is that software based or
firmware based? Yeah, absolutely, and technology based as well.
Yeah.
So the technology within the module controls the battery.
Yeah.
That enables us then to give an assurance to the client that their batteries will be looked after.
Okay.
Of course, they have a lifetime.
Yeah.
But as you can tell, the warranties out that people are giving now, and people are having to do this to show value in the market.
Yeah.
And we want to work with innovative people that want to push the boundaries.
Yeah.
And there's people out there. There are people out there.
That's great. So you found them, you've sourced them, and you're then working
Absolutely.
with them. Okay. Perfect.